Have you seen the brand new 2025 Audi A5? This car is turning heads for all the right reasons. At first glance, it might remind you of the old A4, but don't be fooled. Audi has completely rebranded it. Now, the odd numbers in Audi's lineup represent petrol or diesel engines, while the even numbers are for electric models. That means the A4 name is going electric, and what we now have here is the all-new A5. A stunning sedan with coupe-like style and performance that's made to stand out on the road. This isn't just a name change. The 2025 Audi A5 is a sleek blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. The design is absolutely beautiful. Sharper lines, a wider stance, and a more athletic presence compared to its predecessor. Whether you're seeing it in motion or parked gracefully, it carries a premium look that screams sophistication. From the front, the bold grille and new LED headlights catch your attention immediately. The lights have this modern, angular design that gives the car a confident and futuristic look. And when you move along the sides, you'll notice a smooth silhouette with sleek curves that give the car a coupe-inspired style, even though it's actually a four-door liftback sedan. It's the kind of design that makes you look back twice after parking it. At the rear, the A5 keeps the elegance going with slim, connected taillights and a subtle spoiler that adds just the right touch of sportiness. The best part? That rear hatch isn't just for looks. It's an electric liftback, offering more practicality than you might expect from such a stylish car. It's ideal for anyone who wants a car that looks like a coupe but has the practicality of a hatchback. It's a unique concept that Audi pulls off really well here. Step inside and the luxury really comes to life. Audi has packed this interior with tech and premium materials. The cabin is futuristic but still familiar to longtime Audi fans. There's a large digital display behind the steering wheel with crystal clear graphics and customizable layouts so you can see exactly what you need, whether that's your speed, navigation, or media. In the center, you get a beautiful touchscreen with seamless controls, slick menus, and all the modern conveniences you'd expect in a 2025 car. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium sound system are all included. Everything feels high quality. From the buttons to the stitching on the seats, it feels like a proper luxury car. Sitting inside the A5, you feel low to the ground, almost like you're in a sports car. The windows are narrower than before, which adds to the sporty vibe, but the overall visibility is still good. The front seats are comfortable and supportive with multiple adjustment options and memory settings. There's ambient lighting around the cabin that makes night drives feel more relaxing and high-end. In the back, there's decent space for passengers, although taller people might find the headroom a little tight, especially in the saloon version. Still, for most trips, it's more than enough. And let's not forget the cargo space. Thanks to that hatchback-style boot, you get way more versatility than a regular sedan. Whether you're loading groceries, luggage, or gear for a weekend trip, the A5's trunk can handle it. It's practical without sacrificing any of the style, and that's something Audi really nailed here. When it comes to driving, the A5 gives you a smooth, balanced experience. The base petrol engine with 148 horsepower isn't made for racing, but it delivers a relaxed and comfortable ride, especially on country roads or highways. It's not going to launch you forward like a performance car, but that's okay. This car is made for cruising, not drag racing. If you want a little more power, there's a 201 horsepower version of the same engine that brings a bit more punch and drops the 0 to 62 miles per hour time to under 8 seconds. It's still smooth and quiet, but with better acceleration when you need it. All versions of the A5 come with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It shifts quickly and smoothly, and in normal driving you barely notice it working. In the base petrol version, the gearbox has to work a bit harder to keep the car moving briskly, but overall, it performs well. If you're after better fuel economy and don't mind diesel, there's a 2.0-liter diesel engine too. It's not as common nowadays since diesel is slowly fading out, but Audi still made it a strong option with 201 horsepower and even better torque for faster acceleration and stronger performance at low speeds. Plus, it's more fuel efficient which is great for long-distance drivers. If you live in a place with changing weather or want more grip, there's also a Quattro all-wheel drive version. It adds extra confidence on slippery roads and brings the 0 to 62 time down even further to around 6.9 seconds. It's the only way to get four-wheel drive on the A5 until the plug-in hybrid model arrives. Audi clearly put a lot of thought into the range of options, so there's something for every type of driver, whether you care most about comfort, fuel economy, or power. So why would someone pick this over an SUV like the Audi Q5? It's simple. The A5 is lower, sleeker, and more engaging to drive. It handles better on the road and feels more connected to the pavement. Sure, an SUV gives you more headroom and a higher driving position, but the A5 makes up for that with its driving experience and lower center of gravity. And let's be honest, it just looks better. It's perfect for people who still love the traditional car feel, but want modern technology and style. Another bonus is the price. The A5 starts at around £42,000 and goes up to about £55,000, depending on the trim and options. That's a solid chunk less than the Q5 SUV, and you still get luxury, performance, and practicality. Plus, fuel economy is decent too, about 40 miles per gallon for the petrol models and just over 50 for the diesel. It's not the most exciting car in its class, but it offers a great all-around package for someone who wants quality and comfort without breaking the bank. Of course, the A5 has some tough competition. Cars like the BMW 3 Series, Mercedes C-Class, and Alfa Romeo Giulia. Each of those rivals has its own strengths. The BMW is still the king of sporty handling, the Mercedes focuses more on comfort and luxury, and the Alfa brings Italian style and driving passion. The Audi A5 tries to sit somewhere in the middle, offering a mix of comfort and performance. That does mean it doesn't dominate in any one area, but for drivers who want a bit of everything, the A5 is a smart choice. There are a few small downsides worth noting. The rear seat headroom in the saloon isn't great for taller passengers, and some people might find the tech a bit overwhelming at first. There are a lot of menus, screens, and options to scroll through. But once you get used to it, everything is pretty intuitive. And let's not forget, this is a brand new car, so you're getting the latest in safety, infotainment, and build quality. Overall, the 2025 Audi A5 is a classy, stylish, and well-rounded vehicle. It's not trying to reinvent the wheel, it's just doing what Audi does best, delivering a solid, dependable, and luxurious car that looks fantastic and drives well. If you're tired of SUVs and want to get back to something sleek and low-slung, the A5 might be exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's the beautiful exterior, high-tech interior, or smooth ride, this car checks a lot of boxes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more car walkarounds, reviews, and latest automotive updates, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts on the new Audi A5, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.